Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word wildlife. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The national park is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including bears, wolves, and elk. Wildlife refers to all non-domesticated animals and plants living in their natural habitats, typically undomesticated and existing independently of human interference. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.